Hi, I'm Therese,
And I'm Amelia.
and we are piano teachers here at Oclef with a passion for helping students with learning differences.
If you're a music teacher or a student who's super curious about the pedagogy behind teaching someone with learning differences, then we would love for you to attend our workshop.
In our workshops, we'll be covering a variety of topics, including practical approaches to teaching piano to students with ADHD, dyslexia, and other learning differences.
Our workshop will also cover topics such as accommodating different learning styles, creating personalized lesson plans, and fostering a positive and supportive learning environment.
Whether you're a piano teacher or simply interested in learning more, we invite you to join us and be a part of our community.
Our next topic is
Task switching and priming.
We'll meet on
May 18th, 2023
at
12:30 p.m.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Register now with the link in the description.
Let's make music education accessible to everyone. We can't wait to see you there.